In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to get these funded accounts for absolutely free, guys. You can see a 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, and up to 300,000 funded account for absolutely free. And you just have to follow my steps from one to the end so that you can get your funded account for absolutely free, guys. And before we go further, guys, help me give this video a like, and also probably you can subscribe to our channel. As you can see, guys, let's go on a reality. This account here can cost you a lot of money, but you don't need to buy this account. I'm gonna show you how to get this account for free. As you can see, 50,000 account can cost you about $289. An account for 100,000 can cost you up to $489, and another account for 200,000 can cost you up to $939. An account for 300 funded account can cost you up to 1,399, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly how to receive these accounts for absolutely free. And I mean for free, guys, without you doing anything. This is the funded trader account, guys. You can see funded trader website here, and I'm going to show you how to get this type of prop firms account for free. You know, this account, this broker, this prop firm is offering a lot of accounts, a standard challenge, a rapid challenge, but I'm going to show the loyal challenge because this is the only one that you can receive for free without spending any penny, guys. And let's get started, and I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do and all 2 steps that you need to go through for you to get this type of funded accounts for you, guys. So let's get started right away. After following the link down in my video description, guys, so just go Google the funded trader program, guys. You go get on the dashboard looking like this exactly, and as you can see here, everything that you can see right here, it's asking you to start a challenge and all these type of things that they require you to pay, but you don't need to do that. Let me show you a nice trick that they have just started doing these days, and they can help you get your account for free, guys. And those accounts are real, and I'm gonna show you in just a second. As you can see, once you're on a website like this, if you are using a mobile phone, you can click on these two dots here, or whatever, these 2 lines here, and as you can see, you can scroll down here and check what are the categories on this website. And the first thing that you want to look at, you want to check on the competitions. So the competitions here, guys, are very beautiful. As you can see here, there have been running competition for the past days, guys, and this running competition have been won by people. You know, people have been doing this type of competitions, and you know, they are gaining a lot of advantages. You can see, guys, I'm gonna just check on upcoming, on in progress. The progress competition will show you exactly what are the running competitions right now. As you can see, this competition here, guys, it's a November competition right here, and I'm also part of this competition, guys. I'm gonna show you exactly what is happening around there. And as you can see, guys, for you to participate here, you have to click on register here, but I'm already registered for the competition, so there is no need for me to register. But let me just read for you the rules of this type of competition before you just get started. As you can see, guys, the first person who is going to win the 300,000 loyal account, and the second place is for 200, the third place is for 100,000 loyal account, and as you can see here, the fourth place up to a 30th place, guys. The 30th place, you are going to receive a 10k challenge account. You know, understand that? And this is a beautiful part of this type of prop firm, guys, because they are offering us an advantage to join their prop firm program without having to pay a penny, guys. And this is absolutely what I'm telling you. So let's go check on the rules, guys, for you to get through in order to receive those challenges. You can see position 1 to 30, it's quite a bigger number, or a bigger range, and you should fall within these positions. As you can see here, the rules, guys, they are saying that the maximum daily drawdown is 5%, so you have to lose at most 5% only daily. And if you're gonna lose the total of 10% on the maximum total drawdown, then you'll be disqualified from that competition. So you don't need to lose more than more than 10%. So the account is quite big. It's 100,000 account. I'm gonna show you that on my MT5, guys. And you can see you have to trade at least 5 days, and you are not allowed to use the expert advisors or robots. So, and we don't take advantage of unless it fails in the demo environment. So these are just some rules, guys, that you should follow. And the daily drawdown will now be calculated based on the balance or equity, whichever is high at the end of the day. So what they mean here at this point, they are saying that if you trade with an account of 100, and maybe after 5 days or 10 days you take it to 200, then their calculation of daily drawdown will be based on the equity running by that time. They will not be based on 100, they will be based on the equity that's running by that time. So the bigger the equity, the bigger the drawdown. So that's an advantage of using this type of proper firm to receive your 100 or 200 or 300 funded account for free. There will be a lot size rule of 5 max across all positions. So what they're saying here, you can open only up to 5 lot size up of across all positions. 5 lot size, all positions open should just be at least at most 5 lot size, guys, and it will be soft breach, where if someone goes above the lot size limit, we close all the trades and send an email. So if you start opening lot size more than 5 at once, they are going to close all the trades, but they are not going to terminate you. Only one account per person is permitted. That's the rule that has been running. And as you can see, the competition starts on the first of the month and ends on the last day of the month every month. And I'm gonna show you exactly what that means. If you end up being one of the winners, someone from our trader success team will reach out with the appropriate price, guys. So they mean here that if you end up winning one of these places, they are going to message you straight, giving you the price that you won, your 300k royal account and so forth. And as you can see, guys, let's just check if you can see something here, guys. I want to check on the I want to check on the old competition, and as you can see, the competition started in October here. The rules were the same, and I'm just gonna look on a standing, see who is progressing there, who is the winner right now, who is on the top prize, because you can see this competition have just finished. And as you can see right here, we can see that the contestant were 10,024, but out of those, so the only remaining contests were 1,019, meaning the rest, they fell out because of breaking one of those rules provided on the rule pages. As you can see, the top person here, guys, is Tuyeni, whatever this name is, nickname they used here, complicated, and they return 48.91% return of their total trading. So guys, and this person won a 300k account, and the second person here won a 200k account, and the third person here won a 100k account, and the list goes on until the other people who won the rest of the positions. As you can see, guys, I can go check on the list, to the large list somewhere there, guys, and show you what happens to those guys there on the list. So I think there is nothing here to display, so let me just check around number 4 or 5 here to see. From 31 here, people have received about 19% on price increase, but actually they didn't receive the award winning, because they didn't go in 1 position to 30 position, guys. As you can see, guys, you just have to come on the website, and all you have to do is just register. You don't need to verify anything. You just have to register right there, and after registering, guys, you can go on competition right here, and after you get into competition, just go click on any competition that you want to join. Just click on the competition that you want to join, guys, and that's all. You don't need to do a whole lot of stuff. don't need to do a whole lot of stuff. Just click on the competitions. You can see for November, we can see that 13,000 people have joined, and you can go join for December here. As you can see, December has already about 9,065 people joined already, guys. So what you have to do, the rules are always the same, unless they're gonna change the rules in future, but the rules are always the same. So there is no more much strict rules here, guys. So just go join, guys, and probably you're gonna earn yourself a bigger account and then start making money from there. And thank you guys for watching one of my video. I appreciate your time being here, guys. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to give us a thumb up and also subscribe to our channel, because we drop a lot of videos hoping you guys to get your deposit bonuses and also this type of funding account for you guys. And we are always hustling, going 2 more steps for you guys. And thank you for watching, and see you again on the next video.